Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance fixes in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into the Maytag washer F32 error code, specifically for 2025 models. If your washer is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can handle at home with a few basic tools. First off, let's understand what the F32 error means. In Maytag washers from 2025, this code typically points to a problem with the pressure switch or the water level detection system. It might indicate that the washer thinks there's an issue with water pressure, like it's not draining properly or the pressure hose is blocked. This could stem from everyday wear and tear, so it's not uncommon. Now, before we jump into fixes, always prioritize safety. Unplug your washer and turn off the water supply to avoid any accidents. Common causes include a kinked or clogged pressure hose, a faulty pressure switch, or even debris in the drain pump. If you've recently moved your washer or it's been used heavily, that could be the culprit. Let's walk through troubleshooting step by step. Start by checking the pressure hose, located behind the washer, usually connected to the tub and the switch. Make sure it's not bent or obstructed. If it looks good, try cleaning out the drain pump filter. That's where lint and small objects often get stuck. You can access it by removing the front panel. Next, perform a reset. Unplug the machine for at least 1 minute, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, you might need to test the pressure switch with a multimeter, if you're comfortable with that, or consider replacing it. If none of these steps work, it's time to call in a professional technician, especially if your washer is still under warranty. Remember, fixing it yourself not only saves money but also extends your appliance's life. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and happy fixing. See you next time.